Let's prepare on the TRB Polytechnic exam 2017 Civil Engineering question paper. 134. Using Runge kutta method of order 4, the value of y of 0.1 is asked here for a function of y dash is equal to xy plus y square. And they have given y of 0 is equal to 1. So this means the y naught is 1 and x naught is 0. So taking h is equal to 0.1, we have to find the y of 0.1. So first we have taken this y dash is equal to xy plus y square. So we have to find the 4 orders. So we are going to find k1, k2, k3 and k4. After that we have to use these 4 values in a formula to find out the y of 0.1. So first let us find the k1. So k1 is nothing but it is h into the function of x0 plus x0 and y0. Okay, so here the x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. So this is given in the question itself. So x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. So that only we are going to apply it here. So here the function is actually what? Xy plus y square. So x into y, 0 into 1 is 0 plus y square, 1 square is 1. So h is 0.1 they have given. So 0.1 into 0 plus 1. So the k1 value is 0.1. So after finding the k1, we have to go for k2. So here also it will be similar thing only the xy values will be changing for each k. Okay, so here h into the f of x0 plus h by 2 and y0 plus k1 by 2. So this is the difference here. So we know that h is 0.1 and x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. We know that already. Okay, so 0 plus h by 2 is 0.05 and y0 plus k1 by 2. y0 is 1 and k1 is, we have found out previously, that is 0.1 by 2. So it is 0.05. So the x value here of this function is 0.05 and the y value here is 1.05. So with this x and with this y, we have to substitute in the function, that is xy plus y square. So if we substitute there, means we'll get the answer as 0.116. So this is your k2 value. So the next is k3. So here also it is h into f into x0 plus h by 2. So here the first term is same only, but the second term is y0 plus k2 by 2. So here k2 is coming here. So here again the x0 plus h by 2 is 0.05 only and y0 is 1 we know and k2 by 2 is 0.58. So it is 1.058. And we know the h is 0.1. So if we substitute all of these value means we'll get 0.117. See, actually this method can be used or done by the calculator only accurately. I don't know how we can do in the TRB exams, because even if you are extending a digit, that is if you are converting all the values in 3-digit means you will get a value, and if you are doing all the values in 4-digit means you will get another value, which will be very nearer to each other. And in the options also they have given the very nearer values only. I don't know how we can find the correct answer. So here I have limited all the values, that is after the decimal points I have limited the values to 3 only. So with this only I have done the sum. So for this we'll get that k3 as 0.117. So next is k4. So here k4 is equal to h into f into x0 plus h. The x term is x0 plus h and the y term is y0 plus k3 alone. So we will get 0.1 and 1.117. So substituting this x and y in the function, that is xy plus y square, you will get the answer as 0.136. So which is your k4 value. So now we have got 4 k values and we are going to substitute in the Runge kutta methods formula. So here k is equal to k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4 by 6. So this is the formula for the 4th order equations. So here we have to substitute all the k values we have found out, so that we will get the k answer as 0.117. So the next step is we are going to find the y1 and x1. So y1 is always y0 plus k only. So this is a standard formula, and x1 is always x0 plus h only. So this also you should keep in your mind. So y1 is y0 plus k and x1 is x0 plus h. So as I told here, y1 is y0 plus k. So the y0 is 1 and k is 0.117, so we'll get the answer as 1.117, and x naught is 0 and plus h, so h is 0.1, it's given in the question, so it is 0.11. So the x is 0.1, that is y of 0.1 will be 1.117. So fortunately this is the question asked in the question also, that is the first term itself, it is asked in the questions. So y of 0.1 will be 1.117. So here option C is the right answer. So as I told you already, if you are taking the different digits, that is 4 digit or 3 digit or something different, means the values will be very nearer. And in the options also, if you see, means they have given us 1.116, 115 and 113, the other options. So it is very difficult actually for this sum to find it without the calculator. Thank you, and keep watching for the continuation of this question paper discussion.